Okay. So, what we'll be going through today is basics of profit and loss. Right now, uh, profit and loss. We'll try to understand a few terminologies in it. Right. But before going to terminologies, right, I want certain things of yours to be very clear. Right. For example, if I say 10% of 100, how much does it mean? Yes, so 10% of 100 is 10. Right. Now, if I say 10% of 10% of 100, now what is its value? 10% of 10% of 100. What is its value? One. That is correct. So, how do you evaluate this? First, we calculate 10% of 100, which is 10, and 10 ka then 10%. What is 10% of 10? 10% of 10, it's simply 1. Right. Then, if I say x is 10% more than that of y. Right. Now, can you write an equation for this? I'm saying x is 10% more than that of y. Can you write an equation for this? I'm saying x is 10% more than that of y. Yes, anyone? X is equal to 1 by 10 plus y. Wrong. X equals to 10% plus y. 10% plus y. Wrong. All wrong answers. Anybody else? X equals to 1.1 y. Okay. 10 by 100 plus 10y by 100. अरे बाप रे. Okay. But that is also wrong. Tanushri ka answer is a little correct. Means it is correct. X is equal to 11y by 10. Correct. Which is 1.1y. Right. So how it goes is, ठीक है, कि y plus, right, y by 10 equals to x. That is how it would go. Why I took y by 10? Because that is 10% of y. Now, what is 10% of y? 10% of y is 10, right? Divided by 100 into y, right? Which is y by 10, right? So, what is given? X is 10% more than that of y. राइट तो 10% कितना हुआ y बाय 10 एंड y ओरिजिनल कितना है खुद y सो इट इज y प्लस y बाय 10 राइट सो दिस वुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ x for example let us say that y equals to 100. For example, let us say y equals to 100. Right now if I say that x is 10% more than that of y, then what would be x? X would be, right, 100 plus 10% of 100, which would be 100 plus 10, that is 110. Is it clear? ठीक है, ये जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है, दिस टर्मिनोलॉजी वुड बी यूज इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टॉपिक्स. 10% more than that of y वगैरह, या some a% more than that of y, right? More than that of, less than that of, it would be used in almost, it would be used almost everywhere, right? Now let us say what is given is x is 10% more than that of y. Then my question is, how much is, how much percent is y less than that of x? That is my question. X is 10% more than that of y, then how much percent is y less than that of x? यानी x अगर y से 10% ज्यादा है तो y x से कितना परसेंट कम है? 20% less than x. Others? Sakshi, please revisit your answer. Huh? पॉइंट वन लेस देन एक्स, परसेंटेज में बताओ मुझे, टेल मी इन परसेंटेज. अंशुली 10%, राइट? अंशुली प्लीज रिविजिट योर आंसर. 1 माइनस 0%, यानी 1% बोल रहे हो कि 10% बोलना चाहते हो? 10%. So what you guys are saying is that if x is 10% more than that of y, यानी x अगर y से 10% ज्यादा है तो y x से कितना परसेंट कम है, तो it is also 10%. Now let us check that out. Let us assume that y equals to 100. What would be x? X will be 110. ये तो क्लियर है, right? So if y is 100, x is 110. Why? Because x is 10% more than that of y, right? Now what is the question? अब ये तुमने 10% more than that of y कैसे निकाला? तुमने जो 10% निकाला वो कैसे निकाला? y के बेसिस पे निकाला, right? So 10% of y plus y is equal to 110, and that is equals to x, right? Now, when it is asked that how much percent is y less than that of x, what it means is कि हमारा जो बेस है जो अभी तक y था अब वो बेस x हो गया है. दैट इज व्हाट इट मींस. मतलब अब आपको जो भी निकालना है वो 110 के बेसिस पे निकालना है, राइट? अब आप ये कैसे निकालोगे, राइट? फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन x and y. What is the difference? It is 10, right? And you need to find कि ये 10 110 का कितना परसेंट है. तो आई वुड से 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 110 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100, right? Which would be 100 by 11, which is 9 point something percentage, 9.09% over. So what is important is that जब भी आप कोई परसेंटेज पे बात कर रहे हो तो what is your base is very very important, very very important, right? कि आपने बेस कैसे लेना है. Right? So if x is 10% more than that of y, so y would be y would not be 10% less than that of x. No, absolutely not. अगर मैं ये बोलता था x is 10 more than that of y, अगर डिफरेंस परसेंटेज में नहीं है तो 10 more 10 less it is all same, क्योंकि वो नंबर में है डिफरेंस. In this particular case, the difference is given in percentage, right? And what did we do? We shifted the base because the question demands that we shift the base. Getting it understood? Right? This is a very very common thing and a very common mistake that each one of us make, right, while solving anything that is related to percentage. Right? So what is the base that you are taking, right, while calculating percentage is very important. Percentage निकालना बहुत आसान है, right? But किस बेसिस पे आपने वो परसेंटेज निकालना है, that is very very important. Is it clear? ठीक है. Okay. Right. Now let us see. Okay. If I say x is 10% more than that of y and y is 10% more, sorry, and y नहीं, and z is 10% more than that of x. Okay, if this is given, okay, if x is 10% more than that of y and z is 10% more than that of x, right? Then how much percent is y less or more than that of z? This is my question, right? A little complex, right? I am asking how much percent is y less or more. वो less भी हो सकता है, more भी हो सकता है. You need to find that out. Than that of x. Right? Find me an answer. So what is the answer? परसेंटेज में बताओ, ये 1.21 y वगैरह वगैरह नहीं. टेल मी परसेंटेज. How much percent is y less than that of z? Less or more than that of z? तो आंसर कैसा रहेगा? से 5% लेस या 10% मोर या 15% मोर, ऐसे टाइप में आंसर होना चाहिए. 1.21% less. Wrong. Less by 9.9%. Wrong. %21 less. Wrong. %17.35 less. $12.1 is wrong. 17.35 might be right. Okay. Now, in this particular question or in such questions, what you should do is assume using numbers. What is given? X is 10% more than that of Y. So assume that Y equals to 100. You can assume any number, but 100 would ease your calculations a little. Right. Now, if I say that Y equals to 100, right, what would be X? X would be 110, right? Why? Because X is 10% more than that of Y, right? And then what is given? Z is 10% more than that of X. So what would be Z? Z would be 121. Absolutely correct. Right. So Z would be 121. Now what is asked? How much percent is Y less or more than that of X? So सबसे पहले तो find out whether Y is less than Z or more than Z. Is it less or is it more? It is less. Right. And what would be your base? Z और Y में हमने base choose करना है. Yes. So base would be 121, right? And what is the difference between Z and Y? It is 21. So answer would be 21 divided by 121 multiplied by 100, right? Which would come out to be 17 point something, mostly 17.35. Understood this thing? Why 17.35? Right. Okay. Right. Let us try another question. If I say that A is 10% less than that of B and 20% less than that of C. A is 10% less than that of B and 20% less than that of C. Right? How much is B less or more than that of C? Right? A is 10% less than that of B and 20% less than that of C. Then how much is B? How much percent? How much percent is B less than or more than that of C? Right? This one is a little complex. What will you assume? See, I'll tell you this thing. Right? Assume B equals to 100. Right? What would be A equals to? A is 10% less than that of B. 8.396. 8.39%. Less or more? Anyways, if B is 100, what would A be? A would be 90, right? And what would C be? Now, what the question says is A is 20% less than that of C, right? ये जो relation दिया है ये A और B में दिया है and A और C में दिया है, right? So what it says is A is 20% less than that of C, right? So C minus 20% of C would be equals to A. C minus 20% of C would be equals to A, right? मतलब क्या? C minus, right, 20 upon 100 into C equals to A. What is A? A is 90, right? मतलब C minus, right, 0.2 C equals to 90. मतलब 0.8 C equals to 90. So C will be 90 divided by 0.8, which is 900 by 8, which is 8 ones are 8, 1 0, again 8 ones are 8, 20, 8 twos are 16.5. Is it correct or is it not? So C will be 112.5. Right, now what is asked? How much percent is B less or more than that of C? How much percent is B less or more than that of C? Right, तो सबसे पहले तो B कितना दिया है? B is 100 and C is 112.5. राइट, तो लेस है या मोर है? B लेस है, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस इज 112.5 minus 100, which is 12.5. Right, what would be your base? C is your base divided by 112.5 multiplied by 100, इतना परसेंटेज आएगा. कितना आता है? 12.5 divided by 112.5, right? So it would be 11.11%. 11.11% less. यस, अंडरस्टूड. ये सॉल्व कैसे करने होते हैं? ओके, राइट, लेट अस ट्राई वन मोर. ठीक है, दिस इज द बेस ऑफ सॉल्विंग दीज क्वेश्चंस, राइट? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, इवन परसेंटेजेस, राइट? दिस इज द बेस ऑफ सॉल्विंग. Right, okay. Now if I say mm, say X is right 10% more than that of Y and 5% less than that of Z. ठीक है? How much percent is Y less or more than Z? Solve this. %15.78 less. %62 less, 13.62% less. देखो ये क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट करने वाले ऑप्शंस कैसा रखते हैं. Right, let's say Y equals to 100. X will be 110. Right, and Z will be, वो कैसा होगा, Z minus 0.05 Z, right, equals to X, which is 110. Right, so it would be क्या होगा, 9.5 sorry, 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95 z equals to 110, right? So z would be 110 और उसके ऊपर 2 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 95. वैल्यू ऑफ z वुड बी कितना हो जाएगा? 11,000 divided by 95. Right, it will be 115.78. Right. So y is less or more? Yes, it is less. By how much is it less? 15.78. So answer would be 15.78 divided by 115.78, right? Multiplied by 100. Which would be 13.62%. मैं कैलकुलेटर यूज कर रहा हूँ, मेरे कैलकुलेशन सभी अच्छे नहीं है. So did anybody give that answer पहले? दर्शन ने दिया था 13.62. उससे पहले उमा ने दिया था, तनुश्री ने दिया था, साक्षी ने दिया था. तनुश्री ने 62% भी किया. 62 कैसे आया तनुश्री पहले? ये 0.05 के बदले 0.5 लिया होगा, ये एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. फिर भी नहीं. एनीवेज, राइट. सो होल पॉइंट इज, डिड यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड दिस? ये टर्मिनोलॉजी सबसे खतरनाक टर्मिनोलॉजी. वंस यू मास्टर दिस थिंग, राइट, योर एप्टीट्यूड तुम्हारा क्लियर हो जाता है 100%. अच्छा, 13 डॉट टाइप ही नहीं हुआ. ओके, सिर्फ 62 टाइप हुआ. तो ये समझ में आया कैसे इसको सॉल्व करते हैं, कैसे इसको अप्रोच करना है? राइट, ठीक है. ओके, राइट. नाउ in profit and loss, right, there are a few terms. First term is cost price, right, often called as CP. Then there is a selling price, right, often called as SP, right. Then there is a profit, right. Then there is loss, right. Then there is a marked price, right. Then there is a discount. ठीक है. Now try to understand ki how say a shopkeeper operates, right? How will a shopkeeper operate? The shopkeeper will buy certain things, right, from, let's say, a distributor, and that shopkeeper would sell that particular thing, right? तो अगर किसी शॉपकीपर ने 100 रुपए में कोई चीज खरीदी, right? If a shopkeeper buys an item for 100 rupees, right? Then to earn some profit, that shopkeeper will have to sell that particular item, right, in a larger price, right? Now, let us say if that shopkeeper, right, he buys that item in rupees 100, right, and he sells that item at 110, right? So, what is the profit? Profit would be 10 rupees, right? ये दोनों rupees है. 100 rupees, 110 rupees, then the profit would be 10 rupees, right? ये क्लियर है? अगर शॉपकीपर ने 100 रुपए में खरीदी रहती एंड उसने अगर 90 रुपीज में बेची रहती तो उसे लॉस हुआ रहता. कितना लॉस हुआ रहता? अगेन 10 रुपीज. यहाँ नहीं आएगा, वो इधर आएगा. यहाँ तक इज इट क्लियर? राइट. सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस? कॉस्ट प्राइस is the price at which cost price is the price at which we buy that item. That is what is a cost price for us. What is selling price? Selling price is the price at which we sell that item. Cost price is the price at which we buy that item. Selling price is the price at which we sell that item. Right? Then, if the selling price is higher than that of cost price, we call it a profit. If selling price is lower than that of cost price, then we call it loss. And if the selling price is equal to that of cost price, then we say no profit, no loss. यहाँ तक is it clear? Yes. Oh, great. Right. Now, let's say you go to a mall. Right. Let us say you go to a mall, and when we go to that mall, we see different shops, and on each shop we see a sale: 50% sale, 20% sale, 30% sale. Right. So what happens is you go to a mall. Inside that you go to a shop, right? And on that shop, right, you let's say you select a T-shirt, right? And on that T-shirt there is a label or there is एक वो स्टिकर चिपका होता है एमआरपी के लिए. येलो कलर का रहता था पहले, आजकल सब नए नए आ गए, राइट? तो व्हाट इज दैट लेबल? दैट लेबल इट कंटेन्स द प्राइस ऑफ दैट item. Right. Now let us say, or what we would call that label or that price, we would call that price as a mark price. उसका MRP भी कहते हैं हम लोग, maximum retail price. But MRP is not the correct terminology in this case, right? What we would call it is, we would call it as a mark price. कि वो item के ऊपर mark price इतना इतना लिखा हुआ है, right? And the shopkeeper tells to you that okay, ये 200 रुपए का है, लेकिन मैं आपको इस पे 10% डिस्काउंट दूंगा, राइट? सो दैट इज वेयर अ डिस्काउंट कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. दैट इज वेयर अ डिस्काउंट कम्स इनटू पिक्चर, राइट? एंड व्हाट इज योर सेलिंग प्राइस? योर सेलिंग प्राइस इट बिकम्स योर मार्क प्राइस माइनस द डिस्काउंट. दैट इज योर सेलिंग प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस का मतलब क्या है ये समझो. सेलिंग प्राइस का मतलब ये है दैट जो भी एक आइटम है, राइट, वो आइटम को आपने जितने रुपए में बेच दिया, दैट इज योर सेलिंग प्राइस. तो सबसे आखिरी बेचने के बाद जो आपको पैसे मिलेंगे, दैट वुड बी द सेलिंग प्राइस, राइट? कॉस्ट प्राइस का मतलब क्या है? कि कॉस्ट प्राइस का मतलब है कि जितने में आपने वो आइटम खरीदा, दैट वुड बी द कॉस्ट प्राइस फॉर यू. इज इट क्लियर? राइट. बाकी ये सब बीच में आता है पिक्चर में. मार्क प्राइस उल्लू बनाने का काम, डिस्काउंट उल्लू बनाने का काम. Is it clear? What is cost price? What is selling price? What is profit? What is loss? What is a mark price? And what is discount? ठीक है, तो सिंपल चीज क्या है? योर कॉस्ट प्राइस, राइट, प्लस योर प्रॉफिट वुड बी सेलिंग प्राइस, और और कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस लॉस वुड बी योर सेलिंग प्राइस। अगर प्रॉफिट है तो कॉस्ट प्राइस में वो ऐड करना पड़ेगा, तो आपको सेलिंग प्राइस मिल जाएगी। अगर लॉस है तो कॉस्ट प्राइस में से आपको वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो आपको सेलिंग प्राइस मिल जाएगी। इज इट क्लियर यहां तक? राइट, यस, ओके। Now, whenever you have to calculate percentage, like if I say that I have got 10% profit, 10% profit, ठीक है, तो ये 10% प्रॉफिट जब मैं बोलता हूं तो दिस वुड ऑलवेज बी 10% ऑफ कॉस्ट प्राइस। 10% प्रॉफिट वुड ऑलवेज बी 10% ऑफ योर कॉस्ट प्राइस, राइट। हमेशा प्रॉफिट जो भी होगा आप कॉस्ट प्राइस पे ही निकालोगे, हमेशा, राइट। इफ आई से 15% लॉस, again that would be 15% of cost price. If I say 10% profit, it would be 10% of cost price. 15% loss, it would be 15% of cost price. Is it clear यहां तक? जो भी आपका प्रॉफिट या लॉस होगा वो आपके कॉस्ट प्राइस पे ही निकलेगा, मींस योर बेस वुड ऑलवेज बी कॉस्ट प्राइस। ऑलवेज कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड, राइट। परसेंटेज वाला समझ गया मतलब, राइट। लेट अस से that if I say that I bought an item for 100 rupees and sold it at rupees 120, right? Find profit and profit percentage. Find profit and profit percentage, right? तो कितना रहेगा? What would be the answer? मैंने 100 रुपए में कोई चीज खरीदी, राइट, और उसे 120 रुपए में मैंने बेच दिया, तो मेरा प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? कितने रुपीज? माई प्रॉफिट वुड बी 20 rupees, right? And what would be my percentage, profit percentage? It would be 20 upon my cost price, which is 100, multiplied by 100, right? This would be 20%. Is it clear? This one and this one. 20 rupees is my profit and 20% is my profit percentage. ये क्लियर है? एकदम सिंपल, नो रॉकेट साइंस। ठीक है, right? Now, if I say I sold an item for 150 rupees at 20% profit, find my purchase price. I sold an item for 150 rupees at 20% profit. फाइंड माय परचेज प्राइस। राइट, ज्यादा फॉर्मूले के चक्कर में पढ़ना नहीं। राइट, सिंपल ये क्या कहता है कि मैंने एक आइटम को 150 रुपए में बेचा और मुझे प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ, 20% प्रॉफिट हुआ। प्रॉफिट हमेशा किसके ऊपर कैलकुलेट होता है, कॉस्ट प्राइस पे कैलकुलेट होता है। सो इट वुड बी सीपी, राइट, प्लस 20% ऑफ सीपी, राइट, इक्वल्स टू 150। Right, it is my cost price plus my profit. What is my profit? It is 20% of my cost price. So cost price plus 20% of cost price is equal to my selling price, which is 150. Right, matlab 1.2 CP equals to 150. Then my CP will be 150 divided by 1.2, which is which will be 125. It won't be 120. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Right. Then I'll take another question. Uh, I sold an item for uh, say 5% loss at rupees 100. Find CP. I sold an item for 5% loss at rupees 100. Find the CP. लॉस है मतलब क्या कि सीपी माइनस कितना परसेंट लॉस है, 5%। 5% ऑफ सीपी इक्वल्स टू 100। CP minus 5% of CP equals to 100. मतलब 1 minus 5% of CP is 0.05. Right, so it would be 0.95 CP equals to 100. Right, so CP will be 100 divided by 0.95, which would be 105.26 rupees. Is it clear? ये समझ गया? पक्का? ठीक है. Right. Now I will take another question. Ram bought an item for rupees 100 and sold it to Sham. Sham, yeah, right, at 10% profit. Sham sold it to or Ghanshyam at 15% profit. Yeah, Sham sold it to Ghanshyam at rupees 150. ठीक है. Find Sham's profit percentage. Ram bought an item for rupees 100 and sold it to Sham at 10% profit. Sham sold it to Ghanshyam at rupees 150. Find Sham's profit percentage. $46.36. ओके, राइट. अब ये क्वेश्चन में, राइट, राम ने कितने में खरीदा? 100 रुपए में खरीदा. और उसने किसे बेचा? शाम को बेचा. कितने में बेचा? 10% प्रॉफिट. मतलब 100 प्लस 10% ऑफ 100, दैट इज 10, विच इज 110. राइट. 110 रुपीज में किसने किसे बेचा? राम ने शाम को बेचा. राइट. मतलब शाम ने कितने में खरीदा? 110 रुपीज में. राइट. सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस, right, what is the cost price for Ram? It is 100 rupees. But what is the cost price for Sham? Cost price for Sham would be 110 rupees. Cost price for Sham, it would be 110 rupees. Cost price का फंडा ध्यान में रखो. फंडा क्या है कि जितने में खरीदा, राइट. कॉस्ट प्राइस हर क्वेश्चन में चेंज हो सकती है. अलग अलग लोगों के लिए अलग अलग कॉस्ट प्राइस रहेगी. राम की कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 100 रुपीज एंड राम की सेलिंग प्राइस इज 110 रुपीज. राइट. शाम की कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 110 रुपीज एंड शाम की सेलिंग प्राइस इज 150. शाम की सेलिंग प्राइस इज 150. तो प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ? 150 माइनस 110, विच इज 40 रुपीज. ये प्रॉफिट किसका है? शाम का प्रॉफिट है. राइट. सो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज वुड बी 40 divided by 110 multiplied by 100, which would be 37%, 36.63. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. ठीक है, ये बेसिक्स है, आई एम जस्ट टीचिंग यू बेसिक्स टुडे. कोई बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चंस नहीं देखने, वो पहले आप सॉल्व करो, फिर टुमारो अगेन वी वुड बी टेकिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, राइट. Let me touch base upon one more time. Like, let us say that if I say uh, uh, a shopkeeper, okay, sold an item at 10% discount and earned a profit of rupees 200. Earned a profit of rupees 200. Find cost price. A shopkeeper sold an item at 10% discount, right, and earned a profit of rupees 200. Find the cost price. मुझे इसमें मार्क प्राइस भी देना पड़ेगा. फाइंड द कॉस्ट प्राइस इफ मार्क प्राइस इज रुपीज 500. अब ठीक है. A shopkeeper sold an item at 10% discount and earned a profit of rupees 200. Find the cost price if mark price is rupees 500. 250. Yes, that is correct. 690 is wrong. नाउ सी, इमेजिन दिस सिचुएशन. सिचुएशन क्या है कि आप मॉल में गए, राइट, एंड मॉल में, राइट, आपने एक टी शर्ट सिलेक्ट किया. वो टी शर्ट की कॉस्ट है 500 रुपीज. उसके ऊपर वो स्टिकर लगा हुआ है 500 रुपए का. ठीक है. और अब शॉपकीपर ने आपको क्या बोला कि मैं आपको 10% डिस्काउंट देता, राइट, और आपने वो खरीद लिया. तो आपने कितने में खरीदा? वो 500, राइट, माइनस डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट कितना होगा? 10% ऑफ 500 विच इज 50, विच इज 450. तो आपने वो आइटम खरीदा कितने में? 450 रुपीज, राइट. एंड ये 450 शॉपकीपर ने बेचा कितने में? 450 रुपीज में बेचा, राइट. और उसे प्रॉफिट कितना दिया है? 200 रुपीज. मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस कितने हो जाएगी? 450 माइनस 200, विच इज 250 रुपीज. इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है. ओके. राइट. सो